Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will configure JSON Web Token authentication. So inside user.js route file, we need to pull JWT from JSON Web Token and config from config. Okay, so let's do it. So here I'll write const JWT equals to require JSON Web Token. Okay, and then we require config. So const config equals to require config. Okay, let's save this. Now we need to set up the payload. So let's scroll down. And once we save the user, okay, let's remove this line. We don't require this. And here I'll just take a variable, okay, const payload that is equal to, okay, an object. And that object will be user. And user object will have ID, which is going to be user.id. Okay, let's save this. So this is a user object with a user ID. The reason we can use user.id and not user._id is because we are using Mongoose, and Mongoose abstract the underscore ID away from us. So that's our payload. That's the user ID. Okay. So let's add some comment here. Sign in, sign the token. Okay. We need to sign the token, pass in payload, pass in secret and expiration date, which is going to be optional. Then we need one more comment inside the callback. Okay. Okay, we will add a callback, which will be an arrow function. So first, let me add the comment. So if we don't get an error, we send back the token. Okay. So we need to add a callback. So now we need to use JWT.sign. So basically, we are going to sign the token, passing the payload, passing the secret and optional expiration time. Okay. So here I'll do JWT.sign. Okay. And we are going to pass the payload. Then we need the JWT secret. Okay. So first let me do config.get. Okay. We need to create this JWT secret. So for that, we need to go to default.json, and here after this, we will say JWT secret that is equal to secret token. Okay, let's save this and let's close this. So this is what we wanted. Okay, so config.get JWT secret, and then we need expiration date. So time, so expiration, sorry, expire in, and here we need to add time. Okay, so let's save this. Then what else we need? We need a callback function. So here I'll add a comma and I'll add an arrow function. And here I'll pass the argument, which is going to be error and token. So here inside this arrow function, I'll do a condition. So if error, okay, if we got an error, so just throw the error. And if everything goes fine, then response.json, and we will send the token back. Okay, let's save this. Okay, so now let's try it out. So let's go to the browser. First, let's delete this user. Okay, so let me delete the user. Now let's go to Postman. And okay, so this has already been here. So name, submit, email, Tech Academy 2019 at gmail.com. Password is 1234. So everything is fine. Let's, so as you can know, this is a post request and the URL should be localhost 5000 API users. Let's click on send. So now we got a token back. Okay. Well, let's copy this token and we need to go to the browser, and here I'll go to a website which is jwt.io. Okay. And if I scroll down, so here we can paste the code which I have copied. So let's paste it. So here, as you can see, we have a payload data and we got the user ID. Okay. So we have successfully configured JWT authentication. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.